Welcome to Qigong for Seniors. This flow is called Drawing the Bow to Shoot the Bird of Prey and is from Yo Chi Qigong Baduan Jin flow. Feet in a wide horse stance like a warrior pose. Swoop the left arm around. Push the right arm out, index finger up, other fingers bent down. Pull the bowstring back and shoot the bow at the bird of prey. Turn to your left, right arm sweeps out, pulls the bowstring back, left arm up, holding the bow. Shoot the bird of prey. This flow is good for the lungs and the liver and opens the spine, shoulders, and arm meridians. Sink the qua as you focus on your target. Come back to center, and as always, be blessed with Qi.